Here is a quick guide on how to install P-Cubes at your site. Once your account is generated with us, you log into your dashboard using your email address and password. Once you're logged into your dashboard, from the left navigation menu, you will click on Management and you will go to the Machines tab. In this tab, we will attempt to enter your machine credentials and register it on the UI. You click on Add a new machine and enter the name of your machine. After doing that, you need to add a component to your machine. Then you will select the type of the component. The only other mandatory field in this form is the component RPM. After completing this form, you need to add a point to your machine. This is where the device will be installed. Next, you will save. In the second step, we need to enter the devices page. And now we will add the device to your account by clicking Add a new device. And now we will enter the name of our device. We will enter the QVV for our device. And we will click on Save. After entering the machine name, the component name, and the point name that we created in the machine's page. After this step is complete, we are now ready to enter the setup app procedure to set up our P-Cube.